Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. That is a big ass name, to be honest with you. Okay, so I bought this for 179, which is the MRP, and so let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, so here it is. So here is the first impressions of the castings are. Okay, this looks really nice. Okay, see, this is a metallic paint job actually, and it is shiny, and it is really nice to hold, to be very honest. And the livery looks really nice. So it's a gray metallic paint job along with this Sousa plumbing and heating livery. I don't know if it is a real uh, plumbing and heating industry or service. Okay, it does have headlight details, which is really nice, and it has grill details as well, which is a little bit embossed and painted on top of it. There is the logo placement is really nice, but logos are not really nice. So honestly, metal always messes up when it comes to logo placement, that too when it is Hot Wheels. Okay, it does have rear view mirrors, which is really nice, and the casting is really nice. Okay, you can see this part here, this, yeah, I think so, yeah, that part is plastic. Here, this part here, it is plastic. So from here, these are metal, and the rims are plastic, the chassis is plastic. There are no tail light details. So this one actually proved with, they have only like three side details. The Tacoma had actually four sides. That looked really amazing. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls smooth. It rolls really nice. It does have some wheel wobble, specifically on the rear wheel, but it rolls really nice. Specifically compared to the Tacoma, this rolls really nice and smooth, and it doesn't have any windshields on both these sides, but it does have some interior detailing to it, which is good. I personally like this rims, which has this red trim on the corners. You can see. So overall, this is a really nice casting. If you guys missed it out, and if you really love trucks or even Ford in this case, or both, and this is a bit heavy as well. So my suggestion would be go ahead and get it. So don't you won't feel sorry. This is a really nice casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.